I'm going to show you guys how I made these beautiful boutonnieres using a Christmas ornament of all things. And I got the boutonnieres from Amazon. I got 20 of them for $28, which was really inexpensive because they were really, really nice. The ornament comes front and back, and it comes with a small piece of ribbon and two sublimation pieces. We sublimated Donald's picture on the front and a beautiful message on the back. Next, I had to cut new ribbon because the ribbon is for an ornament and it just was too short. Next, in order to make this, I weeded the ribbon that I cut through the top, making it even. Next, I placed some glue using a glue gun. I would use fast-acting glue, whatever y'all use. You don't have to use a glue gun, but I wouldn't use nothing that is slow. But anyway, you go ahead and glue that together. And I glued that there in order to make it sturdy so it's not like moving all around. Next, I put glue right up under the flower but onto the stem, and I glued the ornament to the boutonniere. This just holds it in place. I put a little extra glue on the back just to give it an extra little some. Next, I wrap the ribbon from the ornament wraps around the boutonniere, the stem of the boutonniere. So this is what's really holding it in place, y'all. Next, I put it in a bow, and voila, it was finished. It was really nice. I like these boutonnieres for two reasons. It has a clip where you can just clip it onto your pocket or the side of your outfit. And it has this pin that you can just pin it through. It came out really nice. Bye, guys. I hope y'all liked the video. These can be used for prom, weddings, or funerals.